Good morning, everybody. How is everybody doing? I hope you guys are having a great day, great week so far. Let me go here. What up? What up? What up? All right, it's Friday, guys. Ending the week, guys. Let's end the week great. Who just pulled up? Do I know you? What's up, brother? How are you? Okay, so gold. Gold is at 1966 weeks. We're sort of consolidated at this area. Let's see what we want to do. We have some consolidation there. We rejected the 1970 area. Let's check out the 4 hour. 4 hour, we have it closing in 25 minutes. So we'll be waiting for that. I want to see how this 4 hour candle closes. Hopefully we can get a nice candle closure below. I kind of want, I want gold to sell, but it's not what I want. So we're going to have to wait for candle closures. The reason why I want gold to sell is because I kind of want to catch gold again at this 1950 area. That's like my buy area for swings. And let's see. Typically, the past few Fridays we've been selling off on gold too, so it's why I also would want gold to sell off. Let's check out the DXY. Let's check out our daily as well on gold. Now, gold, we do have a rejection at this support at trend line, so we could continue to bounce up to the upside, and we possibly will be trading at this area as well. But this is a nice buy area, 1965. If the 4 hour candle closes stronger, it's closing a bit indecisive at the moment. No, that's the daily. Bullish engulfing candle so far on gold, but hopefully we don't have that inverted. Hopefully it doesn't close as an inverted hammer. That won't be that good if it does. Let's check out the XY real quick. If it does close somewhat like that, we could expect a reversal as well because we are losing bearish momentum. As you guys can see, this is our range, so this could be we could take like the breakout out of this range. Let's just make sure right around there seems like a good price entry. That 1 hour is looking indecisive though. Now let's see here. We have three bearish candles back to back on the DXY. Oh, let's go to the 4 hour actually. So we seem to have rejected this 103,600 area. Hopefully we can keep rejecting this 106,500 area. Hey, good morning, brother. How are you, brother? How's everything? Not sure who you are, but it's okay. So let's go back here to the daily on DXY. Yeah, my internet is slow today. Don't tell me that. Haven't had a slow internet day in a while. Okay. Daily candle looks pretty bearish. Now I kind of like seeing this too, to be honest with you, because what I'm seeing here, we could test lower levels on the daily. Now, looking at DXY on the daily, we could see if there's any trend lines. I don't think there are. No. If anything, this might have been the trend line. Broke out of the trend line, and now we're retesting. Again, we're retracing. I don't think we'll be selling off on gold today, to be honest, but let's see. I'm not sure if there's news. We'll be checking that in a few minutes as well. Are you in any trades at all right now? Gold still at 1965. Let's check out Nasdaq as well. Six. This was yesterday's trade that hit stop loss. Let's take that out because today's a new day. Nice little retracement here, broke out. Let's see where this 4 hour candle closes. So far it's closing bullish. Hey, what's up, King Joy? How are you? How's everything? How's your week been? I remember you from yesterday. YouTube. YouTube. Damn, bro, everything is slow today in my house. Not, not it, Chief. So Nasdaq is just already doing its thing. Gold, we still have it at 1965 area. I made demo traders, so it's great. Nothing wrong with that, brother. What are you waiting for to get an account? Whether it's $10, $15, $50, $100, maybe a little 5K account. How long ago did you start trading? Been a year? Gonna get a 50K challenge next month. Nice, brother. Nice. Keep preparing yourself, bro. You've got this. Don't let the fact that you're going from demo to, once to live capital scare you, because although it's a challenge, it may put a little pressure on you. But you've got it, bro. Just treat it. You feel prepared? Have you been winning your trades and stuff? Because if so, just keep on going with the same mindset and you'll do good, bro. A lot of people, not saying it's you by the way, but a lot of people they're kind of scared to start trading live or getting a challenge when they've been doing demo for a period of time. I guess because they don't want to lose the money or they're just like their psychology changes. But that's why I always tell everybody and like I encourage people like just whether it's a $5 account. Hey, what up, Christmas Raja? Whether it's a $5 account, $10 account, deposit some like a real money, so you can know what it feels like to lose money, like real money. So when you do these challenges and you deposit like bigger capital, it won't phase you when you're losing that real money. I'm doing great, brother. Thank you for asking. It's been a rough morning. I woke up at 4 o'clock in the morning. I wanted to train. I wanted to work out, but I'm sore from yesterday's workout. I was a loser, and I went back to sleep. And then now I'm up and ready to tackle the day. So no more loser vibes, only winner vibes from here on forward. Hey, good morning, Asha. How are you? Hope you're doing good. Hope it's been a good day so far. I recently quit coffee and it's been feeling pretty good. I've been drinking tea instead. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's pretty cool. I feel like it's healthier and like actually wakes me up, makes me feel nicer. I've sent you my name and email on Instagram. Yeah, I received it. Look, I'll be sending everybody who provided me their emails. I'll be sending them a email with a short video and a nice little message for you guys to open it, so you guys can also reserve your seat for the webinar, um, as there will be limited amount of seats. So I need to know exactly how many people will be there and yeah, but just I'll let you guys know. I'll make a post so you can also be aware when I sent it out. And the webinar will be tomorrow. It is a completely free webinar, completely free. You will learn a lot of juicy information, and you will have my insights. I promise everybody who pulls up will learn something new. So something great to look forward to. It's actually also my what up Armando. Great morning to you. It's actually been a rough day. Well, I'm assuming in India it's about to be nighttime, right? Well, the day's not over. You still have a couple hours to finish great, you know? Don't let the rough day, kill your vibe or stop you from finishing strong. We still have a couple hours to finish strong. But what I was saying, it is my first webinar and it's free, so I am looking forward to that. Over it, and I've been taking about exactly a week long to get this webinar ready. So it's not a webinar that I just made in 5-10 minutes, and a little PowerPoint. No, it's I've actually taken my time, and I truly feel confident that it will be really enjoyable. It will be interactive. It will be nice environment, very professional. So I'm looking forward to it. I'm really excited. Keen Joy, no, she did. I didn't. She sent me her email because she wants to get better, and she wants to be a part of the free webinar, and she's taking advantage of the free webinar. So that is why. But I had a nice talk with her, so it's 6:30 p.m. I'm assuming it's p.m. Yeah, I think you guys are one day ahead, aren't you guys? Well, not one day ahead, but like you guys are like hours ahead of us. Like over there, it's June 9th, Friday, 6:30 p.m. Correct me if I'm wrong. What time do you usually trade at? Armando, I usually trade around this time. I start trading at 8:30. But I think starting next week, I kind of want your guys' opinion. Put a one in the chat if you guys would like to see this. So I think I've been thinking about starting earlier. So waking up around normally I start trading at 8:30. Now I think I will start trading around 7:30. See how it goes. The goal is to eventually maybe trade by 7:30, 6:30 p.m. Nice, nice. I want to go to India. Do want to go to India. Although I hear it's like, a bit foggy and it's not that nice. I have a few friends from India. I have one friend from the south, one friend from the north. Um, and they both tell me after all India is a beautiful country. The food is really good. Now I hear a lot of tourists that go there, they get a little sick because of the food of the water they drink. I guess because they're not used to it, and then like the food may kind of get their stomach a little upset. But I don't really care. I'm up for that. I don't really think about that. One is a bunch of ones. I guess we'll be doing next week. Starting next week, we'll be doing 7:30 to 8. So definitely looking forward to that. Hey King, by the way, I wanted to add something to what the fact about starting a challenge soon. Everybody who's here, you guys also, so I guess you guys may not realize it. What up, Ruben? I guess you guys may not realize it because you guys are here watching me trade live, but you guys don't have to be watching me trade live. You guys can take advantage of the fact that I'm here, and you guys can ask me any questions you want. Like you guys can you guys can literally ask me questions that people pay me to ask me. You guys can literally pull up to. You guys can join my Discord. The Discord is on the description at the bottom. You guys can join my Discord. Hop on the Zoom and like have me go over your trades. You guys can have me ask me questions uh, like you guys can actually take advantage of the fact that I'm here every day, and I won't care. I'll actually enjoy it. I'll actually feel like you guys are taking advantage of it. Because when I'm here and you guys are just quiet, it's it just feels like I'm here trading by myself, and it just feels like you guys make me feel like you guys know more than what you want to know, or But there's people here that tell me, oh, like I pull up to live streams, and I just like, dude, ask me questions. Don't be embarrassed. Don't be scared. Like that's how you only get better. You only miss the shots you don't shoot, meaning you only, miss the questions you don't ask. And there is no such thing as a stupid question, except for the question you don't ask. I'll guide you, brother. Just ping me. Thank you, brother. I will. Don't worry, brother. I'll tip you really well. $1 is 83 rupees. Damn, that's pretty nice. So I'm assuming a meal, a lunch would come out to like about $5, right? About like 400 rupees. So you have seen heaven, brother. I haven't seen heaven yet. I hope I don't see heaven anytime soon. And if I do, so be it. I'm ready. But yeah, hopefully I can see heaven when I'm like older, 70s, 80s, maybe 90s, hopefully hundreds, hopefully 120s or 40s. I'm just kidding. What is your preferred time frame for finding entries? Nah, that's a nice question. I like that question. You know why? Because I was actually one of the questions that I sort of put in there, but not as a question. So it all depends, right? Now, what the question is, what type of trader are you? Are you a scalper? Are you an intraday? Are you a swinger? It matters because if you're a scalper, normally you're on the shorter time frames, like the 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute max, right? You're never really on the higher time frames, although you do look at the higher time frames, so you know what market structure is doing. Now, scalping, when I am scalping, right, I'm in those positions for about seconds, maybe minutes, no more than an hour or two, right? So if I'm scalping, I'll be in the shorter time frames. Now, if I'm an intraday, which is normally how the intradays, because they'll last either minutes, hour, 2 hours, or I'll even close my positions at the end of the day in the trading session. So, like for example, yesterday I scalped with you guys live, but before I went live with you guys, I was already in a position with you guys. I cut it off the 4 hour time frame, and that's really my strategy. 4 hour support and resistance. So I'm always on the 4 hour strategy. I'm always on the 4 hour time frame. Daily, 2 hours and the 1 hour. Now for entries, I do go down to the 15 minute because although I am a 4 hour support and resistance trader, my entry won't be as precise as getting in on the 15 minute, right? So like on the 4 hour, I may be looking to get in on sells at the flip of this candle. But if we go down to a 15 minute time frame, actually let me mark it as well. Flip of the candle would be right around here. But if I go to the 15 minute time frame, any second now, any second. Sorry guys, my internet today has been unacceptable. But on the 15 minute, we could see um, this area right here. I would actually feel more comfortable executing at the break of 1960. That's where I would feel more comfortable. So yeah, I could get in at the flip of the candle in the 4 hour time frame, which would be 1962, where it was at before. But what could happen is we could reject this 1960 area, and where we have a sort of a level of support, right? A minor level of support, and then we could just flip. So it won't be I'll just if I would have waited 20 pips and if I would have gone down to a shorter time frame, I would have saved myself the drawdown. So although I am a 4 hour supported trader, to answer your question, my preferred time for finding entries is a 15 minute. I don't really like to go lower than 15 minute because if you go to the 5 minute, it gets a little too volatile and there's just too much data, so I can't break it down. Versus in the 15 minute, I have the right amount of data that I need. I have it's not too volatile, there's not too many candles. and it's more precise than the 4 hours. I hope I answered your question. And then you have swing trading, of course. Swing trading would be anything like 4 hour, daily, weekly, even monthly. You're in those positions for, you know, days, weeks, um, possibly even months. Like, that's why I like to have different accounts as well, just because some accounts I'll scalp, some accounts I'll, swing, because some accounts I can't swing. Some accounts I want to hold those positions. Depends what kind of lunch do you want to have. Brother, I'm not gonna lie. Lately, I've been more open to trying new things, but so you can understand what type of person I am, and I hope you don't call me a picky eater. But I'm that type of person that normally when I go to like a Middle Eastern buffet or an Indian buffet, or like some buffet that's like other than Chinese or U.S. I always try to find rice, beans, and meat, or chicken fingers and rice, because I don't know what to eat. I don't know if I'm going to like the food, but I do like. I don't know. I think I have tried Indian food. Let me search it up because it is kind of strong. It's like it's very strong. I know I have tried Indian food. I'm pretty sure. Curry. I mean, I do like eating curry, bowl and curry. I have had that. Samosa, dal. Ask all the questions you want, brother. Okay. Have you like do you have like a sheet where you can like identify your candlestick patterns? So in reality, to be honest with you, I used to do that as well because like I used to sort of like wait for that pattern. But in reality, what trading is more about, it just comes to you, and you want to be able to recognize it, right? So what do I mean by that? What I mean by that is like right now we just have a and what may look to a lot of people who don't know candlestick patterns, a candle that just it has a huge wick about to flip bearish, right? But that right there could be the start of a shooting star. Now, a shooting star is when it has a top wick and it flip and it's just bearish. And then the opposite of that would be like a hanging man. Now, it just comes to you. It's not something you want to wait for. And typically with shooting stars, it could be the start of a downfall, continuation, sells, shorts. But as you can see here, we have like this huge shooting star. What looks like it now, like I said, you want to be able to recognize candlestick patterns. Let them form, and as they're forming, you can go back to your chart or that picture of patterns that you've got, and then you can recognize it, identify it, and then you can execute based off that. But waiting for it, like let's say I were to wait for a hammer candle. Let's say I'm just gonna throw hammer candle. We'll probably be waiting here quite some time, couple minutes, maybe a couple hours. Maybe it just happens right now, but don't try to wait for that pattern that because chances are it's not gonna come to you. On the contrary, try to recognize patterns so that when they happen, you can, react based off that. So you're prepared because you can identify it. You get me? Just also, if you want, if you send me your email, type it here. I'm not sure what candlestick patterns you've got, but I can send you one that really helped me a lot over these past like trading years. They're probably the most important candlestick patterns that happen, and I can send you another one of like a whole candlestick pattern, and you can also Google it as well. But I highly recommend what I did too when I first started trading. Even after some time trading, I printed it and I just cut like paste like I literally put a sticker or I taped it to my like screen on one screen. So whenever I'm on the charts, I would go like that, and then I would be like, okay, da 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 da. Oh, this is okay. This is that, and then over time, that's you just start picking it up on your own without even having to look at the paper. I just got your email, brother. I'll be sending you the email after the stream. All right, but great question. Another great question. Don't and like I said, if anything comes up to mind, just shoot, bro. Where 1966 on gold? 1966 on gold. Hmm. 1966 on gold. So, yeah, I still like the sells below 1960 and my buys above 1966. Let's look at the DXY. The DXY. Let's look at the 4 hour. You can start from 100 rupees to 30,000 rupees. When you say 30,000 rupees, I feel like I can just go to India and buy a car or like a motorcycle. JP, can I get that 5K account today? I'm sorry for asking because you know what situation I'm in. Oh, he promised in yesterday's live. So wait till he gives you. Well, it's not that I promised. I remember what I said. Be here for 30 days, be interactive, and then in 30 days, you can ask me again, and I wouldn't mind giving it to you. Well, you gotta work for it. I don't like handing things out for free. I did not get handouts. Why should I give handouts all of a sudden? Putting words in my mouth, but after the news, the volatility was crazy though. Um, what do you mean, Manny? Not sure what you're talking about. I don't think we had news today. I actually haven't checked to see, which was kind of irresponsible for me to do. And it's always in my trading plan to look at the news to see if we have news. But luckily, we are not in any position, so we can still save ourselves that irresponsibility. What's up, Carlos? How are you, brother? How's everything doing? No news for the U.S. dollar today. Yeah, so doesn't wanna. Alright, we'll leave it there. Fuck. That tea was really good. What up, people? Are we in entries yet or what? No entries yet? I'm chilling, bro. Excited for next week, but this week isn't even over yet. Hey, but hey, at least you have something to look forward to. I'm low key excited for next week too. I somebody recommended me to watch Transformers, so next Tuesday I'm going. Well, this Tuesday I'm going to watch the movie Transformers. So yeah, I feel you. I'm also excited for next week, but I'm more excited to finish strong this week. There's still 2 days left to finish this week, guys. So we can still make this week a great week if you're not having a great week, and if you are having a great week, you can make it greater. Hey GP, at Christmas, Raja should stay for 30 days because he was asking for a 50K account. Yesterday, you said you would give Ashalala a 5K account. Bro, how about this? Yeah, I remember. She earns $95 a month and she is from Nepal. And then out of those $100 that she makes, $40 have to go to like debt or bills, and then the other $60 she needs it for something else. I remember, but I did not say that I was going to give me the proof. Stop putting words in my mouth. Give me the proof. You guys like to troll me. Okay. Christmas Raja was no. I'm not gonna watch that. I'm not even gonna say it. Um, I remember. Oh, so it was Christmas Raja who I had told YouTube. I had told be here for 30 days and I would give him a 50K account. I remember I told somebody. Okay, so it was Christmas Raja. That's fair. Yeah, he has to be here for 30 days, work for it, be interactive, and then I will give him the account. If he's not interactive, but he's here 30 days, I'm not going to give it to him. If he is interactive but not 30 days, I'm not going to give it to him. If he is interactive and he is here 30 days, I will give it to him. Um, yes, I agree with you 100%. The Lord will help her, whether it's through me, whether it's through someone else, whether it's through some mystery way in which the Lord works. But I agree, the Lord will help everybody. But you shall also put in the work and not just expect the Lord to help you. What is good risk management technique? When do you put your trade to break even? So I like to always put my trade at break even once my 1-to-1 has hit, or my TP1. Typically, my TP1, on average, I would say, although some of my trades have been like 1 to 2 trades, my TP1, TP3 being like 4. Um, when my trade hits 1-to-1 is like a good time for me to put break even, really. And like I said, if my TP1 is like 1-to-2, but I know my trade is gonna hit 1-to-4, 1-to-6, I'll just keep putting my stop loss up. I'll move it up from a 1-to-1. I'll move it to from my TP1. I'll move it to my TP2. Once we hit TP3, I'll move it to TP3. Once we move to TP4, I'll move it up. So that if price does come down, I get stopped out in profit. But when my 1-to-1 hits is when I pull my stops to break even. What up, Kay? Good morning, brother. Decent movie. Guardians was better in my opinion. I haven't seen that movie either. Next Tuesday, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go watch Guardians of the Galaxy, and then after I'm gonna go watch Transformers. I'm definitely putting in the work, JP. All doors are closed for me, JP. That's the only reason I'm asking on the live chat. Well, I think your doors are not closed. Being at the webinar is not a closed door. That's actually a door that is open. And guess what? You took action by signing up to be there, but the webinar hasn't happened yet. So until you're not there, you can't really, I also feel like that type of mentality, you're just closing your own, you're closing the doors on yourself. And the doors that are opening, you're not even entering them. You know, try not to think that way. Let's try to like program our mind to think better. Doors will open. Doors are opening. There are open doors. You just have to go and try to open them. Because although a door may be closed, it doesn't mean it's unlocked. A door may be closed, but you also have to go and try to open the door. Heck, you know how many times I've been in situations where my doors are closed? Do you think that stopped me? No. I was trying to bring that door down, you know? Any opening light I saw come out of a creak of a door, I saw as an opportunity. Maybe, I went inside the wrong door, but guess what? I just kept going on with faith. Doors will open. Watch Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse 2. Nah, I don't know how I feel about that movie. A little too cartoony. I don't know. I feel like these new Spider-Mans, they suck. I miss the old Spider-Man. Now they just have like, eh, they're so like fictionalized. Well, I mean, any superhero movie is fictionalized. Hey Sandra, how are you? Um, Let me ask you a question, Asha. How did you burn your last challenge? Like, you haven't even really spoken. You just asked me for a challenge. You haven't even asked me how you don't burn a challenge. How, not to do the same mistakes you made. How to be a better trader. You haven't asked any of that. You haven't asked things that can help you become a better trader on these live streams. All you've asked for is free. And I gave you something for free, a webinar that a lot of people are taking advantage of and not complaining. Like you're the only person who is taking it for granted, I feel. It's not cool. My morning's going pretty great. I'm actually enjoying it, Kay. It's been pretty cool. How about yours? Facts, bro. I feel you on that part. So she got a surprise in the webinar. I said if she's there, everybody, not just her, everybody who shows up will get a surprise on the webinar. I'm not gonna say what the surprise is. It could be a round of applause. It could be an account. It could be a it could be a free PowerPoint. It could be a free course. I'm not gonna I'm not gonna. Don't think you're gonna get an account because I'm not. I don't want to get your hopes up. And if you're only going to the webinar to get an account, I'd rather you not go for real. Like I'm being very honest with you. I could give your seat to someone else who will actually be thankful to be a part of a free webinar. No free challenge. Work, work, work. It feels better that way when you win. I know, right? You know how many challenges I've given away? I I I swear, I promise, and you know, all those people that have collected a free challenge, they all blew it. Not one person ever has come to me and said, "Thank you, I received the payout." Not even past their account. Could you believe I gave somebody once a free challenge and they were about to blow and they come to me, "Hey, can you help me pass it?" I just gave it to you for free like 2 days ago. So the thing is, the people who ask for free challenges, they blow it because they over leverage to get themselves out of the situation that they're in. It doesn't work. Instead of taking your time with it, it took me almost 2 years to get to where I'm at today. Like, come on, pods. It's hours, 1 day's expense. Okay, so now because it's hours of expense for me, I have to spend it. Why can't you be looking out for me? Why can't you help me save money? Yesterday I spent around almost $150. You think I want to spend more money today? No. My goal every day is to spend as less money as possible. If I can spend $0, it's a great day financially. And you have to think about it too. It's not just you guys asking for free shit, but there's also people in my life who ask me for free stuff. Not cool. Not cool. Because I've been training a demo cup for 6 months. Well, look at King Joy. King Joy has been trading demo for a year. You don't hear him complaining, you know? I already told you, Asha. You've been training demo for 6 months and you feel like you're ready, which is a big step. And I congratulate you for feeling ready and taking that big step. I want you to go and deposit $1 to $5. Find the broker that you can deposit $5. You told me yourself that, and over there you make $100 a month, right? If you make $100 a month, deposit $5 into a live broker account, and with those $5, you're gonna try to make, you know, try to make 1% a day. Try to do 1% a day. Flip those $5 and turn it into $10. Eventually, you will be able to trade bigger lot sizes. Instead of a point zero 0.01, you can do a point zero 0.02, and then from $10, take it to, look, I'm gonna show you. Look at this. Deposited $188. I did not go and deposit, a whole bunch of money. Yo, why is this blinking? That's just weird. $188. You don't see me over leveraging point zero 0.01, 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 point zero 0.01. Like, like you can do the same thing with $5. Like you don't have to have a $5,000 account. What broker do you use or recommend? I use FX Live Capital, and I also use Sway Markets. This account is with Sway Markets because I wanted to test it out. I have never used it, so I'm trying it out, which is why I deposited such a little amount. But it's been going good. The minimum deposit is $20. No, I think you're wrong there. I think with Sway Market it's $10. And I know because I recently deposited. Fed catching up to you, dude. Dude, that's just sketchy, right? Look at this. Look at this. Off, and the second I turn it on, no way. That's crazy, right? Damn, I'm sketched out. Nah, I'm just kidding. I'm not sketched out. I saw a TikTok on this. Yep, phones be doing that. You guys should try it too. Put it like on your. If you guys are on a Zoom, try it. Like Ruben, try it out. Tell me if it happens to you too. Just like click your phone and then just put it on your. I think you might have to turn on your camera. So I'm sorry if I'm putting you out there. But whoever you're curious, you don't have to. Um, no, because trading isn't the same as real. Of course, it's not. Which is why I always tell everybody just deposit $5. Find a broker that you can look. I'm sure we'll find one right now together. We're not even close to finding our entries yet on gold. Gold, I'm getting in at 1966. Not anywhere near there. Nasdaq, I had already missed that breakout area. Not looking to execute. Could have executed around here, but this is like my no trade range. and the dollar is just doing its thing there. So let's go look deposit um Forex brokers with set account. Look at that. FXTM. I've never heard of any of these brokers. I don't want you to like just go to. I think with swing markets you can deposit like $5, $10. 10 dollar minimum deposit. Look at that. You're gonna tell me you can't save $10 to deposit? And if you can't save $10, it's okay. It's okay. But you can definitely find a broker that you can deposit $5. So, you know, try to flip $10 first, and then you can go to trading challenges. That's what I did. No, you're good, Ruben. I didn't really like. I was the one who was mostly interested. It's not that important. Um, bro, I can afford a challenge. Don't compare my situation with her. But King, you keep up. You can or you can't. I'm not saying you can or you can't. I was just saying that you've been trading for a year, demo. You've been preparing. Like you're not complaining. That there's nothing wrong with trading demo. Like you have to start somewhere. If that's where you start, that's okay. There's nothing wrong with that. Gotta work harder, Asha. Ain't nothing free in life. It's true, Isaac. 30K deep in trading can't let something stop you. That's what I'm saying, Asha. Like I understand that the minimum wage over there is different than other countries, but there's people in worse situations than you are. While you're making $100 profit a month, yeah, you have bills, you have expenses, you may have, debt. The $100 that you make can go to your pocket. There's people out there that the money they make goes to someone else or to something. There's people there's people $100,000 in debt. Like I think that's worse than I would much rather make $100 a month than be $100,000 in debt any day. Well, it depends what type of debt too. If it's like real estate debt, and I'll take it any day because I know I can make it back within years. But um, I sit at a railway station for free Wi-Fi. Can you believe this, bro? That's dedication, and I'm sorry if I'm sounding like spoiled. I'm sorry if I'm sounding like mean. None at all. I actually look up to people like you. People like you motivate me. People like you are the reason why I don't take things for granted, you know? And I look up to people like you, and I wish people were more like you. Because the truth is, if people were more like you, we'd have more successful people in this world. But the fact that people aren't willing to do what you're doing is why I believe you will be bigger than a lot of people out there. Don't stop. There's nothing wrong with that. I've had to do. I've had to go to a library to use free Wi-Fi. And what you're doing is it takes courage. It takes discipline. It takes. Um, I admire that. So don't stop, bro. Everyone's situation is different. All I say is try me. I'm not going to, like I said, put in the work, then I'll try you. Bro, I can't afford. What broker do you use? Recommend the minimum deposit is 20 Fedka. Oh, hell no, throw the phone away. Let's run a poll for Ashalala. What do you say, guys? It's illegal to trade Forex other than in US. I what? Police show up, brother. That's the reason I didn't open a live account. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Now I don't even want to talk about those things because like I really don't know at that point. Is it illegal to trade live? Now you have me curious though. I'm like very curious. Is it illegal to trade live account in Forex in India? Oh wow, they actually are. I didn't know that. I just learned something new through you. That's pretty cool. I'm sure there's ways around it. Look, this is how you can do it. And I'm sure there's ways around it. Okay, guys, we're about to our entries are coming soon on gold. 4 hour New York stock market just opened up on gold as well, guys. So keep rejecting at that area. What's going on, man? All right, guys. All right, guys. Oh, I kind of don't. I don't want this kind of turn indecisive. I'm not gonna think of you like that. Come on. All right, we turned indecisive now. We're indecisive. It's such a rangy area. Not eating. I'm not doing anything to her. What's sick is, yo, chill, don't press. What's sick? Sick, sick, sick. Just show up to the webinar like you said. Thank you, Carlos. I'm not doing anything wrong. I'm not pressing anybody. I am not doing anything to anyone. I've already said what they have to do. I wish I would have gotten a free account. I remember when I asked Dr. Dollar once for a free account. And you know what he told me? No. And this is someone who makes more than $50,000 a month. He told me no. Guess what? It made me a better person. It made me a better trader. Because if I would have taken the free account, I would have taken it for granted. What you mean sick? You think we have it easy here in the U.S.? What the fuck? Guys, let's just focus on the trading. Let's not get overwhelmed. We're all right in our ways. You know, we all look at things differently. After all, we live in different areas of the world, so we look at things differently. It's okay to think differently. Let's not get um let's not get our emotions caught up. We are about to enter a trade, so let's just focus on the trading for now. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna be executing soon. Let me start getting the trade ready. Entry would be 160. One 60. $600. I'm in, guys. I'm in. 1960.600. Stop loss would be 1962,600. TP1 1958 600. TP2 1956 600. All right, we're about to hit TP1, TP3. Sorry guys, as I'm typing this while sending it to the signal. Well, I already sent the signal, but just putting the TPs and all that. 1954.600 TP4, 1952 600. All right, we hit TP1, guys. TP1 smashed. TP1 smashed. All right, guys. TP2 is on the way. I'm still holding my position. My stops are at break even, guys. For those who were asking about my stops, this is where I put my stops at break even. All right, guys. Good night, Asha. Please. Carlos, you've got this, brother. I respect that. I respect that. Asha, I'm sorry to tell you this, but if you're gonna keep asking me, please don't come back. Like I don't want you here if you're gonna be asking me for free stuff. I'm sorry it sounds fucked up, but I don't need your support. I have support from people who who value my knowledge and what I give them for free. And and I honestly don't respect the fact that you're not um valuing what I'm giving you for free tomorrow at the webinar. Like, sorry, it's whatever you're doing is not gonna work. You can go try it with another trader. Um, all right, guys, we are at TP. We're still around TP1. Top loss was 20 pips. We saw no drawdown on this trade. That was nice. TP1 was at 19. Oh, we actually hit. Oh no, we didn't hit TP2. I got excited there. 1958, 600. TP1 hit. And now TP2 would be 1950. You're in with me, brother? Good shit. Can you give me more info on the webinar? Yeah, just DM me webinar on my Instagram or Discord. If you don't know where it's at, it's here in the description on the YouTube. DM me, and so I can get your information. I'll tell you more about it on the DM. 1956. Guys, we actually did hit TP2. I didn't want to say it because I wasn't sure. TP2, nice. A nice 1 to 2 trade. Let me check my position real quick. Oof. Okay. Damn, I was caught off guard with that TP2. I didn't even realize that I had hit TP2. I didn't even look at my phone or anything. That's okay. That's why it's important to be focused within a trade, guys. Um, I might just be closing my position, to be honest with you, just because it's Friday. I just closed my position, guys. We did see TP2. Want to close in profit. It is Friday. Um, I'm also in, bro. Let's go, man. I hope you guys can secure profits before it hits break even, or I hope you guys even secure profits way before I even close. I got TP2, TP1. If you guys did, let me know. Regardless, guys, let's check out the. This is okay. Damn, I really wanted gold to go to 1950 because that's where I want to buy. Let's go, okay. What up, KT? Dude, yeah, I'm kind of excited about this win, to be honest, because we had three losing trades prior to this trade, so it was like we get to finish the week strong. This is why you never let the week um never let never let what happened early in the week, affect the way you finish the week. Simple. A lot of people, they start off on a bad week and then they don't finish strong because they've had a bad week. No, always finish strong, guys. It's never too late to finish strong. Guys, I am not in this trade anymore, guys. Anybody still in this trade? If you guys want to secure profits, you can. If you guys want to put your stops a little bit under break even so that you guys don't, so you guys can secure profits if you get closed out. Um, do you still see gold melting? I do believe gold will continue to melt, but just don't have your trade open based off what I say. Now I'll explain to you why. Let's see. On the daily, there we go. On the daily, if we go to the daily, right, I do see us possibly tapping this level at 1955 where we'll be testing it out as well. We are bearish as well, and on the 4 hour time frame, we just broke out of this little range that we had. We had um this candle over here, right, which clearly shows that the buys are not it. We did lose some bearish momentum, but after this breakout, this breakout range, I do see us testing this 1950 area, 5 area. But be careful because this also could be some rejection. As you guys could see, there is a lot of rejection at that area, a lot of reaction, right? This is some reaction currently happening. Reaction, 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 reaction. So you want to be careful, and um, you don't want to get stuck with that reaction as well. If we go down to shorter time frames, 2 hour time frame, same thing. We're seeing some nice volume to the downside. 1 hour we engulfed, and now we could be testing this new low over here. 15 minute, we rejected this minor level of resistance. On the 15 minute, if we flip bearish, we could see nice wick fill and possibly even touch TP3, TP4. But like I said, that's why make sure you have your stops at break even if you're still in this trade or a little bit above it, just in case the trade flips. It's better to end. It's better to end there, with a break even, which is a free trade, pretty much, versus ending with a loss. Of course, brother. Thank you. Another win, K. Another win. Let me see something. Seven, 4. Damn it, man. I couldn't take the trade on this one account because it had logged me out. Okay, 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 okay. Nasdaq is 1464. Look at that, Nasdaq. Nasdaq, I sort of knew this was gonna happen, but I had already missed a trade, which is why I didn't get in it. The entry would have been here. Um, Breakout happened, and formed a nice bottom wick. You could have executed the top of this wick, but I missed that trade, and I was more focused on gold, which is okay. At least we got the dub. But nice to see this played out the way I was anticipating it would play out. DXY should still in that area. Okay, that's weird. Um, Not weird at all. All right, guys, I will be calling it live here. Thank you guys to everybody who pulled up. Guys, remember the free webinar is tomorrow. Make sure you DM me webinar on Discord, Instagram, so you guys can know everything I know. You guys can get the insight and the knowledge on how I catch these trades, and sometimes I'll catch these 1 to 10 trades, 1 to 9 trades, 1 to 8 trades. I've been doing it more often than ever lately, and be there. It's completely free. You guys will definitely guaranteed learn something new. So make sure you DM me. Don't miss out. It is my first free webinar. I will make it as fun as possible. Be there if you guys want to get better. If you guys don't want to get better because you guys are great already, I guess don't be there at all. But hope to see you guys all there. Thank you guys for all the support. Everybody who pulls up, Ruben K. Everybody on the YouTube guys, I'm sorry it's not what it is for you guys, but don't let that discourage you guys. We're here to be better. And if you guys are having a bad week, the week's not over. We can still finish great. Love you guys all. Peace.